Okay, it's on. Hey, we're Odd and Kate.
Yo, what's up? Hey, yo. We're on Kate. It's on Kate. It's on Kate. Back at it again.
It's on Kate.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. On Kate. Yeah, yeah, yeah. On Kate. Creep the AC. Skirt. On Kate. AC. Whoa. AC.
I just had a mimosa. Katie's. Oh my god, doing her makeup drunk.
Yeah,
Hi guys.
we're in Chicago.
We're in Chicago. This is my outfit. It's a sweater and this. You can really see my bra. What do I do?
You can see mine too. This is my bra. Okay.
Should we walk them through our routines?
Yeah.
No.
My hoops.
Hey guys, it's Odd.
Okay, so first I take my concealer. Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I don't use foundation. Because for the longest time, I had acne and I just wore foundation every day to cover it up, and now it's not that bad. So I just feel like I let my skin thrive in its natural state.
Hello?
Come in.
Did you have a little accident? So can we like just talk about the fact that we're meeting pretty much in like 3 or some months?
I think it's like 3 years. Wait, what? I'm gonna look so much cuter in this picture than the other one.
Dude, I'm not gonna like be scared this time because mine was so white and pale. Ow!
I smell like this. I'm not gonna do that.
I was like,
I'm gonna smell like this.
like my top lip was just, it disappeared.
Oh, I'm gonna do
like
this. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna hold their shoulders like this.
Can they like touch our booties?
Yeah.
Think of Nick Maron touching your booties.
You can't touch my booty.
Ow!
Gotta earn that.
I keep burning myself with this. Burning up with you, baby. Yo. Oh.
It's the lighter shade medium over here.
Okay, so
How come I
something.
never realized how much shorter I was than you?
Listen, something stupid really happened with filming, and it didn't film my whole concealer process.
Or my eyebrow.
So that's what happened when you were gone. So. Sorry.
Oh, and you missed my dance.
Oh.
I'll do it again.
Okay. And now I'm taking a lighter concealer and just putting it under my eyes like a dot. Right?
No.
Wow.
Like,
We can move locations. We're back
Oh, we're on
in
different sides.
more ratchet setting.
anywho.
You're not in the camera.
Oh, anywho. I'm putting a color called khaki on my eyes.
Hey, did I blend the Oh, you're filming, sorry.
No.
Katie, let's play them our new song. Hey Mom, Aunt Julie, did you hear our new song?
Do you guys want to hear our song?
Hey, you might have...
want this, and I'll wear my gray one. This matches.
Do y'all want to hear it? Y'all want to... Hi. You want to hear our song?
Sure.
Okay, it's on Kate, it's on Kate.
Mom, have you heard this?
Back out again. It's on Kate. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. On Kate. Yeah, yeah. On Kate. Grip the AC. Thanks for watching. Give it a like. And subscribe.
As you can tell, we're really proud of that. Ooh, ooh.
I don't know what kind of food.
That's actually really cute. Everybody go follow our TikTok. We just posted a new one. Let's just say we had the horses in the back. That's all I'm saying. You can decipher what you want from that.
Did you know Nick Maron used this in a video of his.
For reals? Use our promo code AutumnKate for 15% off every Essence product. This video
Yeah,
is sponsored by Essence.
Wow, Autumn Kate.
Almost done. Why don't we put this much effort into videos all the time?
Hey, is that Autumn Kate? That looks like Autumn Kate.
Oh my god, we left our door open. People
Oh
saw
my
us.
god.
Autograph.
Wait, are you Autumn Kate's moms? Yeah.
Oh, yes, we are. Yes,
we are.
Yes.
Yeah.
I feel like my face isn't tan enough.
Markers.
I don't have any.
Eyeliner in weeks because I had a weird eyeball reaction. So I forgot how to do eyeliner.
I'll be RB.
Did he,
Hey guys, it's Kate.
No.
Also known as Katie. Actually, people only call me Katie.
I can go
Only
check
couple
it
people
out
call me
if you
Kate.
wanna
Fun
wait.
facts. No one calls me Caitlin. Don't call me Caitlin.
All right, are we ready?
No.
Wait, can you have my brush? Final touches.
Or what do you think?
Should
Yeah.
we make present?
Doing that.
BRB.
Okay, we'll wait. We'll make this tighter. No. Anymore? Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready.
You know, they may do better if they.
Hey, we're Autumn Kate.
You gotta walk in though. You gotta get out of the camera.
Oh.
You gotta get out of the camera.
Wait, what are we doing?
Hey, we're on Kate, and then you guys say something funny.
Hey, we're Autumn Kate. And we're the
moms.
Do we want to do one more for
I
just
look silly.
Just in case.
yeah? It's crooked.
Oh, dang
That's what I
it.
was. Yeah. Wait, what? Should we say something else?
Or what are we saying, Deb? And we're paying for this trip.
Hey, we're Autumn Kate.
And we're paying for the trip.
Oh, I laughed. We're supposed to exit stage.
Stage left.
Thanks for watching. Give it a like and subscribe. Bye. Autumn Kate. Skirt. It's still going. Did that slap? Yeah, it did. Okay.